IFB 6 kilograms fully automatic front-load washing machine. Bring home the IFB fully automatic front-load washing machine and get stubborn stains off your clothes. This washer has an inbuilt anti-crease function, so it's easier to iron your clothes once they're out of the washer. Aqua Energy. A built-in aqua filter treats hard water by removing bicarbonates and activates the detergent enzymes to get deep inside the fabric. The toughest of stains are dislodged in the process. Crescent Moon Drum. This washer features a crescent moon-shaped drum that makes water curve up in a swoosh pattern. This prevents your clothes from rubbing against the walls of the steel drum and gives your clothes a thorough yet gentle washington. Drum type. 2D shower system. You won't find detergent residues on your clothes anymore. The 2D shower system circulates the water 360 degrees in the drum so that the detergent dissolves completely in water and removes dirt from every fiber of your fabric. Protective rat mesh. The additional cover at the bottom prevents rodents from causing damage to this washing machine. Laundry ad. Did you forget to put a shirt or two in the washer? The laundry ad feature lets you add clothes during the washing process. Child lock. The display lock safety feature prevents your children from changing the control panel settings and alerts you when the lock system is active. Power. This washer has a spin speed of 800 revolutions per minute and requires 2150 watts to function. 2150 W. Wash programs. This washer has various wash programs to suit your laundry needs: cotton, cotton eco, mixed fabrics, quick wash, gentle, woolens, etc. Wash programs. Auto restart. In the case of a power failure, the operation of the machine resumes from where it had stopped when the power comes back on. Auto restart. Design and capacity. This washer has a user-friendly console, a capacity of 6 kilograms, so you can wash a whole week's clothes at one go. 6 kg. Thank you for watching. Like, comments and subscribers.